Hello, and thanks for joining me for an unboxing and a review of the Letsfit T13 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Let's crack open the box and see what we got. Okay, looks like we have the case here. Pretty small. So far so good. Let's set that aside and see what's underneath. Okay, looks like we have a USB to USB-C. That's pretty cool. Future-proof. Looks like we have some ear fittings. I'm not sure exactly what you call these. I can't remember at the moment. But looks like there's 3 sets in here, so it should fit pretty much any ear. Looks like we got an extended warranty here. That's pretty cool. So if you go online and go ahead and sign up for that, you should get an extra year's warranty. So I'm not sure if that's a total of 2 years or just the first year. Not sure. Anyway, and we got some more information here. How to use. It's like it's in several languages, English being the first. Anyway, let's look at the actual earpods. Okay, the case is magnetic, so you don't have to worry about them falling out once you've opened the lid. So that's pretty nice. Let me pull them out. And the sides are touch sensitive, and as you pull them out of the case, they connect with your phone, so you don't have to go through the pairing a second time. The first time, you just pull them out and go into your Bluetooth settings. I've only connected this with an iPhone 10, but I'm assuming it'll work with Android too. It does have Bluetooth 5.0. And like I said, the sides are touch sensitive. You tap once to start playing the song. You tap twice, and the digital assistant on your phone will respond. As for connectivity and battery life, they are Bluetooth 5.0, so you'll get nice crisp sound with minimal drops. And for the battery life, I was able to get about 3 hours, 4 hours at the tops. I did have a few cutouts after about 3.5 hours, but if you'll put them back in the case case has another 24 hours of battery life that it can charge them. And also there's 4 LED lights in the front, and it'll let you know once the headphones have been charged. I've used these for about a week, and as far as the sound quality, I would put them up there with the AirPods. I think the highs and the lows are just where they need to be. You don't get a lot of tinny response or anything like that. The touch sensitivity on the outside is comparable to the AirPods. You can't lower the volume or raise the volume. That's one thing I would change. I maybe would put it down here on the stem, but being able to pause it and answer calls and have the digital assistant, in your ear, I think that's pretty good for $23. Like I said, I'll put the link below, and I'm not making anything off of this as far as like a program through the Amazon or anything like that. So whatever you pay is what I paid. But I would highly recommend them. I think they're a good alternative to AirPods when you're paying $150 to $249, and the cost is negligible. This is the unboxing and review of the Letsfit T13 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please thumbs up and share.